Hello everyone! Today, mag-unbox tayo ng isang gadgets from na Pinoy made. Ito ay ang Cherry Mobile Soferion Radar Quad Plus. This is a 7-inch tablet and the specs is it's Android Lollipop. Hindi ko pa alam kung anong version to, kung 5.1 o 5.0. Quad core, that's why quad plus, so it's quad core. Dual SIM connected by 3G, yung SIM 1, and both camera is actually Vega camera. So let's start it to unbox. Okay, so here the device and what, of course, this is my receipt. This is quick guide, quick start guide, or yung kanyang manual. This is the, I think it's hindi naman siya yung warranty card. This is parang yung mga pwede mo ma-access doon sa kanilang Cherry Play Club. Of course, it has a travel wall charger, yung kanyang USB cord, micro USB cord, charger with and data transfer, and the headset. This is a regular headset. Okay, let's step aside. Let's review the unit. Okay, here we are. Pasensya na, medyo hindi ganun kadaling mag-review ng one-handed. So tanggalin na natin to. Okay, here we go. Actually, na-unbox ko na siya, na-power on ko na siya. So this is the front. Okay, Android Lollipop. Here is the sorry, there. So here you go, the interface. Nakapag-install na rin ako ng mga games at ilang apps like YouTube and Facebook, tsaka yung kanya Facebook Messenger and Twitter. It's quad core, so hindi naman siya ganun kabagal. Actually, mabilis siya at wala akong nakikitang lag so far nung tinesting ko siya. So meron siya mga pre-install app like, of course, yung Cherry Play, yung Cherry Fan Club. Yeah. And yung Hangout there. So let's go to settings. Okay. Here you go. Let's go to about phone. Okay, focus natin about on Android. I see. Oh yeah, Android version 5.1 Lollipop. Let's see. So there you go, guys. Oh, there you go. There is the game there. Okay, so that was the Lollipop. I actually tested this tablet at nalaman ko na ito ay meron siyang screenshots. Kung sabay niya lang pipindutin to down itong lower button ng volume rocker and yung power button. Ang price niya ngayon is 2,999. It's 3,000 pesos. Almost 3,000 pesos. 3,000 pesos. Yung camera niya is wag kayo mag-expect na ganun kaganda. But so far hindi naman ganun kakuan. Actually kapag sa low light, hindi nyo siya pwedeng talaga dahil wag kayong aasang malinaw siya sa low light. Okay. It's QBGA lang yung camera, BGA camera. So let's try the front. Here we are. This me. Okay. So far naman pwede mo siyang gamitin. Kuha ka lang ng pictures, video kung okay lang sa iyo, hindi ka maselan. This is a tablet for you sa mga budget conscious dyan. Pwede na to for the people that have a tight budget, hindi makabili ng mga high-end. You can use this for browser, surfing, YouTube, Facebook, and any social media. Pwede na siya, so hindi na masama. Medyo mabigat lang siya kumpara dun sa Samsung Galaxy Tab. Yung kanyang display is 7-inch IPS, okay, WBGA IPS, hindi siya HD. So there you go.